Candace Carter Thoughts to go. I am playing with clothes, which I always love to do. And there's also a reason. I found a woman. Her name is Akisha Akanbi. I found her on YouTube. And she is not only a fashion designer. For me, she's a woman not teaching. She's a woman empathizing empathy. And she does it in a very wonderful way. And she just went viral not too long ago with a very small video called The Problem with Wokeness. Now, who hasn't heard this word yet? It was a new one for me, but the problem of wokeness is concerned with whether or not we are losing compassion to condescending superiority, which means we're losing contact and we're becoming moralistically relating, which is not a good idea. It's not a good idea to relate moralistically. We really need to stay in contact with people as far as how they are like we are, you know? So anyway, she's also a stylist, and for the reason that she discovered clothes and color, you know, and like any artist, and she said it's interesting what people wear, what it says about them. I like my shoes, I love these socks. And maybe she can help people to express their personalities through their clothes, and that's one way to do it. Now, something like this, I have always loved dress up. I've always loved to play with clothes too. So we have these two things in common: playing and observing how the world works is according to what we consider to be an empathetic input. So this has been fun. I'm just trying out some new stuff just for fun, and because she inspired me. So look for inspirations in life. You may find them at the street corner. You may find them on YouTube. You may find them watching the lady across the street walk her dog. Who knows? It's just the way of opening up to look at the world. So I've had a lot of fun dressing up today. I didn't really intend to film. Was not my intention. But, you know, I sometimes just play around, and I was playing around dressing up from Ayashat's, gotta learn her name, inspiration. And then I was all dressed up, you know, in all these red and yellow colors. And I thought, hey, why don't you use it in film? So that's my thoughts for today. Look her up and see you next time.